Hello guys, it is my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Zane Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to teach you how to add your shipping address on Taobao. But before we get to the practical started, if you are very new to this channel, please hit on the subscribe and also don't forget to click on the notification bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload content about importation. Lastly but not the least, if you would like to join my premium class where I teach people on how to be a successful independent importer, that is an importation you will do without using any agent, you pay supplier direct, source for goods and ship to your whatever country, feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen. Let me put you through the system. Okay, so let's get to the practical started. So guys, for you to have a shipping address does not fall from sky. It is by a process. So you need to first of all communicate with your shipping company, negotiate with them as far as the price of their as far as their current terms of price is concerned, discuss every necessary thing and the type of goods you are bringing into the country. Let them know so that you will be able to be informed if they can ship that type of goods for you guys. Okay, now for you to understand all this thing I'm trying to explain verbally, I'm going to put it in theoretical aspects so that you guys can understand what I'm trying to explain. So follow me as I show you step by step you need to do, starting from communicating to your shipping company to getting the company address and add it to your Taobao account in order to purchase from the e-commerce platform in China. Let's go. So the first thing I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to access my WhatsApp here. You can see from the screen right here. So I'm going to click on it right away. All right, so here we go. So I'm going to use one of my premium class on procurement and shipping from China, premium class, as an example. So I'm going to search for it. So I have teach a lot of people on self-importation. If you would like to join, feel free to contact me via the phone number on the screen. So, okay. Now, for every individual that attend my procurement and shipping from China, you are eligible to get at least minimum of 4 reliable shipping company that can bring your goods to your country without any stress. Okay, so one of the 4, I'm going to use one as an example on this video, and if you are in the group already, feel free to ask whatever question you still want to ask as far as the video is concerned. If there are further things you need to understand, so I'll be able to reply you. And so I'm going to use this company here. Okay, so I have shipped goods through this company. They are very much reliable. They deliver as promised. Okay, so now I have already chatted them up about the product, about the business, and they have given me the information as far as their terms of service. You can see this is the company terms of service. You can see their dollar per kg is $6.3 and their clearance fee is 500, and the goods will arrive in 5 to 7 days. Minimum of kg shipping, that is any goods that is less than 3 kg, don't send it. They are not going to ship. So that is just the meaning. So now after that, I was given the shipping company address. You can see. I'm sorry for the interruption. Let me put it on the stop. Okay, so now after we have discussed as far as everything is concerned, I was given the shipping company address. Okay, so now this shipping company address is what I'm going to use on Taobao profile. Now, having given the shipping company address, and information will follow. This depends on the company you want to use. Some company package everything for you to make it easy, but some company you need to package everything by yourself so that your goods will not get lost on transit in China. Like for instance, now look at this company here. Look at their statement. Please must be use your name and your name as for receiver information. Don't need to put our names and number. Only the address correct, just okay. If not, we will reject it. What this sentence simply means is that if you are using this company to ship your goods to whatever country you are taking the goods to, you are to use their address only. The name column should be your name. The phone number column should be your phone number. What you need from the company is just the address. Otherwise, if you don't follow the instruction, they will reject the goods and your goods will get lost. So just follow me and see the step I'm taking in this video for you to be on the safer side. So the first thing you need to do is to copy the address, which is this one here. Copy the whole thing. So I'm going to highlight, then I'm going to click on here to copy. Now when you copy it, you can use your type bar and paste. What you need to do here is that you need to delete the first instruction, then come here, delete the English name also. Lastly, select all, click and hold down, click on here, select all, then copy again. This is what you need from this company. Now you have to go to your Taobao app now to add it to the address column. So let's go. So as you can see from the screen here, this is my Taobao. Okay. So I'm going to click on it right away. Okay, so when your Taobao app is open, and the next thing you have to do is to click on here to access your profile. So I'm going to click on it right now. Okay, now having done that, the next thing you have to do is to, let me scroll down. You see the setting icon from the top here. That's what we are going to click next. From this top here, sorry, there is a setting icon there, which I'm going to click right away. This one here. So if I click on the setting icon, it's going to open up here. So the next thing you have to do is to click on here. So I'm going to click on it right away. So when you click on it, this is going to pump up. So the next thing you have to do is to click on this big red button. So I'm going to click on it now. Okay, now this is going to pump up. When you have something like this, all you have to do is to click on here straight away, no stress. So I'm going to click on it straight. So when you click on it, it's going to automatically fill in the address. Now, this column here will be filled automatically. This is the address also to be filled automatically. No stress. You are very much correct in this regard. Now, you can see your phone number also will be automatically filled in. You can see here. But what you need to do as far as the phone number is concerned, you need to click on here so as to change your country code. This is a default, a Chinese code. But I'm a Nigerian, so I have to choose my country code now. So you have to click on here and search for your country code. This is my country code here. This one here, this is Nigerian. Okay, so you click on it, and when you select it, come down below here and click on OK. You can see it has been fully correct. Okay, now you can see the top here, which is red. This simply means that you need to add your name there. So you come to the top here and type in your name. So I'm going to put in my name, Rafiu. Okay, so now you can see everything has been fully set. Now this is not the end. You still have to leave a message for the supplier so as to be sure that your goods will not get lost. Now you have to go back to your WhatsApp now and type in the message you need to leave for the supplier. So I'll come back here, then I'll click on here. I'll have to delete all this one right away. Now I have to turn on my So I have to turn on my character, which is this. Then I will type while the keyboard will translate in Chinese character. And I'm very sure if you are in my class, you should be able to understand this very much. So all you have to do is to type in, please don't forget to write my name and phone number on the parcel. Okay, now when you write something like this, you have to click and again, then you open a bracket, space bar, anyway, open a bracket, then write in your name inside the bracket, then slash your phone number, then close the bracket. Then you can then turn on the Chinese character panel again. Just say thanks. That is it. So you have to select everything now again. Click and hold down, choose select all, then click on copy, then go back to your Taobao profile. Then come here, click and hold down. From the address section, click on paste. With this, you are good to go. Lastly, click on here to save the address. Okay, if you would like to use the address as a default, all you have to do is to turn on this button here. This means that whenever you want to shop, the address is going to be used automatically. Finally, click on here to confirm the address. So I'm going to click on it right away. Boom. So guys, you have successfully had a shipping address to your Taobao account, and then you can procure and send your goods to your country. So this is how everything went on smoothly. No stress, no mistake. Definitely, if you follow the step-by-step I'm taking in this video, you will surely get your goods delivered to whatever country you are taking it to. If you find value for this video, click on the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you are very new to this channel. And lastly but not the least, if you would like to join my procurement and shipping premium class, feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen. Let us talk about premium class. I'm going to put you through the system and see how you too can be a self-independent importer without using any agent. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.